Hello everyone, this is Yuvraj from NY IT Solution. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you that how to integrate OpenAI with Zoho Creator step by step. For that, first log into your Zoho Creator account. I already logged in. Then you have this page and select microservices from your left menu options. Then create a new connection. Just create new and pick up that connection one. Pick and create. In the search box, you type OpenAI will come. You just click on OpenAI. So I'm just providing OpenAI connection, administration only, create and authorize. You just click on it. Once you have did, it asks you for give that OpenAI API key. So for this, you have to log into your ChatGPT account first. So I already logged in to the ChatGPT account. This is my account, which is this. So I'm in free plan anyhow. So here, once you logged in, just go to the next browser and type OpenAI API key. Once you have typed it, the first page you can see OpenAI platform API key page. You just click on this. So here you are able to see that one. So where you see the API keys here and create new secret key is there. This is the OpenAI platform developer page. You just click on create new secret key. I'm just going with Zoho Creator integration and creating the new key. So now new key came. I'm just copy it and paste it here in the API key. That's it. Okay, and click authorize. Now it is authorized, and I have a lot of application. Let me go with one application which I regularly use. This is a quick solution one. I'm just selecting this. Now I given the access to the one of the application. Then you just check the API documentation of OpenAI. I already opened that. I'm just showing here. So this is like OpenAI Developer document. For that, if you want to open from your end, you just type OpenAI API documentation. It show you this. Select the second one. Once you have selected, it shows some JavaScript kind of thing. Ignore this, ignore this. Just see below here, which is API reference. Just click on that and come to this responses API and select that create a response. So create a response API, we have the curl method, which is very easily usable in our Deluge platform, Zoho Creator platform. So where you just copy this and paste it into your Zoho Creator function, where I already did, which I can show you that. So this is the one I'm using right now. Okay. So I just copied that and pasted here, and I provided the type as input test. And in a test, I provided how Zoho Creator help businesses. And once I have executed, then it will give you the response. So use this particular function in your applications wherever you want. And not about only the test. You also, if you see the example here, they have provided what is in this file, which is like they have provided the file URL, which is downloadable URL. So like the same way, you can able to fetch the information from the files too, okay, and fetch some information from files too, kind of thing, which you can able to do, achieve it using this API model. Just copy and paste and do whatever is required from your end. So this is very simple. And currently, actually, I'm using the free edition. So I already used the limit. If I execute it, suppose if I execute the function, I'm just saving this first. I'm executing this function. It is loading. Yep. You have no credit remaining. Actually, I used my credit. If you definitely you have to purchase for OpenAI, that is for sure. You need to buy the OpenAI credits, okay, which you can buy from API here, which you go to the billing, add credits, go to the billing. Okay, here you add your payment method and just buy the thing. Once you bought, then this particular API will works exactly how the normal ChatGPT platform works. That will be work inside your Zoho application itself. It's not about in Creator. It is working for, it will work wherever the Deluge functionality is required, and you need some kind of automations from AI. You can able to use it easily. And instead of doing authentication and all, this connection, you can see here, I provided the connection and OpenAI connection I have provided. So it simply always work, and it is quickly, you can able to check the APIs easily from this side. I hope I'm adding this particular coding in my description box too. I hope this video helped. If you have any query or any comments about this particular integration part, you kindly comment in the comment box. I will reply on it. And if you want to connect with us, I'm providing the end card where our mobile number and email will be there. Please connect with us.